Didn't want you to miss these hiccups, Daddy. And the snorting piggy in between. Logan, are you making a liar out of me? Your little piggy snorts are done? Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Those are such big hiccups for such a little guy.